Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick comparison between the Langfuse and Langsmith. Let's go! So in 2026, the Langsmith and Langfuse stand out as two powerful tools for monitoring, evaluating, and debugging large language model or LLM application, but they cater to different needs. First off, we have the Langsmith. This one right here is built by the LangChain team, which offers a polished, ready-to-use experience with integrated observability, prompt management, evaluation workflows, and seamless tracing. It is particularly suited for developers already using LangChain, allowing teams to quickly adopt advanced tracking and debugging capabilities without worrying about infrastructure setup. Next up is Langfuse. This one, on the other hand, is an open source framework agnostic platform that allows self hosting and control or full control over data, schema, and deployment. It supports multiple LLM stacked beyond LangChain and provides features like prompt, versioning, dataset management, and analytics while providing vendor lock in, which makes it ideal for teams that prioritize flexibility, data control, and compliance, or for those who work with diverse frameworks.